All right. Today we're at a rainy one here in Manhattan Beach. Carpet is heavily soiled. They had a pet and they did some of the DIY carpet cleaning. This is what it looked like before, this is what it looked like after. So check it out. What we're doing right now is we're pre-spraying all these really tricky areas. You can see like this looks like something maybe was stored here and like looks like maybe the dog peed on it. We got some varnish maybe, I don't know. Then right here is just a high traffic area. If you don't keep your linoleum super clean or if it gets damp, it's gonna mess up your carpet right here all the time. So a lot of times people will try to clean it themselves and you get stains that look like that. This particular house, the guys are moving out and they want to get their security deposit back, so instead of hiring a real cheap company, they hired Karma Carpet Cleaning, and we are going to get that money back for them. What do you think? It came out good, yeah?
Fantastic, man.
You think you get your deposit back?
I'm better. I'm better after
the pressure is on. Yeah, I think you will.